Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the world of wooden craft ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden crafts have been a cherished form of creativity for centuries. The versatility and natural beauty of wood make it an ideal medium for crafting everything from functional items to decorative art pieces. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a novice looking to explore your artistic side, there are countless wooden craft ideas to inspire you. In this video, we will delve into various wooden craft projects, techniques, and tips to help you unleash your creativity. Before diving into specific craft ideas, it's essential to appreciate why wood is such a beloved material. Wood is not only aesthetically pleasing but also offers a range of textures, colors, and patterns. Each piece of wood has its unique grain, making every crafted item one of a kind. Additionally, wood is durable and can be easily manipulated with simple tools, making it accessible for crafters of all skill levels. To get started with wooden crafts, you'll need some basic tools and materials. Wood. Choose from various types of wood, such as pine, oak, cedar, or birch. Each type has its characteristics and is suitable for different projects. Cutting tools. A handsaw or power saw, like a jigsaw or circular saw, will be necessary for cutting wood to size. Sanding tools. Sandpaper or a power sander will help smooth rough edges and surfaces. Adhesives. Wood glue is essential for joining pieces together. Finishing products. Stains, paints, varnishes, or oils can enhance the appearance of your finished project. Safety gear. Always wear safety goggles and a dust mask when working with wood. With these tools in hand, you are ready to embark on your wooden crafting journey. Wooden home decor. Wooden wall art. Creating wall art from wood can add a rustic charm to any space. Consider using reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly project. You can arrange different pieces in geometric patterns or create a landscape scene by cutting shapes from various wood types. Picture frames. Crafting custom picture frames allows you to personalize your home decor. You can use simple rectangular shapes or get creative with ornate designs. Try adding embellishments like carved details or painted finishes to enhance the frame's appearance. Wooden shelves. Floating shelves made from wood not only provide storage but also serve as decorative elements in your home. You can create simple brackets or use leather straps to hang the shelves, giving them a modern touch. Functional wooden items. Cutting boards. A wooden cutting board is both practical and beautiful. Choose hardwoods like maple or walnut for durability. You can personalize your cutting board by engraving a design or adding a juice groove. Coasters. Wooden shelves. Floating shelves made from wood not only provide storage but also serve as decorative elements in your home. You can create simple brackets or use leather straps to hang the shelves, giving them a modern touch. Functional wooden items. Cutting boards. A wooden cutting board is both practical and beautiful. Choose hardwoods like maple or walnut for durability. You can personalize your cutting board by engraving a design or adding a juice groove. Coasters. Crafting wooden coasters is an excellent way to practice your woodworking skills. Use slices of tree trunks or cut square pieces from plywood. Sand them down and finish with food-safe oil to protect the wood. Wooden utensils. Making wooden spoons, spatulas, or serving utensils can be a rewarding project. Choose a hardwood that is safe for food contact and carve out the shapes using hand tools or a whittling knife. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Garden and outdoor crafts. Birdhouses. Building birdhouses is a delightful project that can attract wildlife to your garden. Design birdhouses in various styles, traditional, modern, or whimsical, and paint them with non-toxic colors to add flair. Planter boxes. Create wooden planter boxes to showcase your favorite flowers or herbs. You can build simple rectangular boxes or get creative with tiered designs for vertical gardening. Garden trellis. A wooden trellis not only supports climbing plants, but also adds visual interest to your garden. You can construct a simple lattice design or create an archway for a more dramatic effect. Toys and games. Wooden puzzles. Crafting wooden puzzles can be an enjoyable way to combine creativity with functionality. You can create jigsaw puzzles featuring animals, shapes, or scenes that can be painted or left natural. Building blocks. Making wooden building blocks is a great project for children's playtime. Cut uniform cubes or various shapes from softwood and sand them down for safety. Toy cars. Designing wooden toy cars is another fun project that can spark joy in children. Use different colors of paint and finishes to make each car unique. Seasonal crafts. Wooden ornaments. Creating wooden ornaments for holidays like Christmas or Halloween can be a festive activity. Cut shapes like stars, trees, or pumpkins from plywood and decorate them with paint or natural finishes. Advent calendar. Build a wooden advent calendar that can be reused year after year. Create small compartments for treats or messages and decorate it with seasonal motifs. Fall decor. Craft wooden pumpkins or autumn-themed decorations that can enhance your home during the fall season. Use wood slices and paint them in vibrant autumn colors. Upcycling projects. Pallet furniture. Repurposing pallets into furniture is an eco-friendly way to create unique pieces for your home or garden. Pallets can be transformed into coffee tables, benches, or garden planters with minimal effort. Wooden crates. Old wooden crates can be upcycled into storage solutions or decorative displays. Sand them down and paint them to match your decor style. Wine rack. Transforming reclaimed wood into a wine rack is both practical and stylish. Use simple designs that hold bottles horizontally and add a rustic touch to your dining area. Advanced woodworking projects. Furniture making. If you're ready for a more challenging project, consider crafting furniture like chairs, tables, or cabinets. This requires more advanced skills but offers the satisfaction of creating functional pieces that last. Wood turning. Explore the art of wood turning by creating bowls, vases, or intricate designs on a lathe. This technique allows you to manipulate the wood into beautiful shapes and patterns. Marquetry. Marquetry involves creating images by inlaying different pieces of wood together to form intricate designs. This advanced technique requires patience but yields stunning results. Tips for successful wooden crafts. Plan your project. Before starting any craft, sketch out your design and gather all necessary materials. Take your time. Rushing through projects can lead to mistakes. Take your time to ensure quality work. Practice safety. Always prioritize safety when working with tools. Follow guidelines and wear appropriate gear. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new techniques or materials. Experimentation can lead to unique creations. Seek inspiration. Explore online platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, or woodworking blogs for inspiration and tutorials. Wooden crafts offer endless possibilities for creativity and self-expression. From functional items to artistic decor, there is something for everyone in the world of woodworking. Whether you're looking to create gifts, enhance your home, or simply enjoy the therapeutic process of crafting, wooden projects are rewarding endeavors that connect us with nature and tradition. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive in and start creating. With each project, you'll hone your skills and develop your unique style in the wonderful world of wooden crafts. Happy crafting! Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.